Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we talk about all things financial literacy. And today we're going to be talking about Apple Federal Credit Union. This is one of the best regional credit unions that you can be a part of. We're going to be talking about the $50,000 card that you can get even if you have bad credit. There is a way that you can get this card. We'll also be talking about some of the other products that they have on the commercial side as far as business credit cards. And then we'll be talking about exactly how to join this credit union and become a member. So let's get started. So first, I want to give some history on this credit union. They've been around since 1956, and Apple has been a not-for-profit. So it's a non-profit member-owned financial cooperative, and everyone at Apple Federal Credit Union, they own a share of the credit union. You actually get this share by opening up a savings account, which you'll automatically be prompted to open whenever you set up the account. And it is because of this dynamic that all earnings are returned in the form of lower rates and higher dividend yields. So that's one of the huge benefits of being a member of this credit union. They have very, very low rates, and you'll see that you actually earn really good dividends on a lot of their products. Now, if you're thinking of joining this credit union, there is 3 different ways that you can do this. I will make mention that there was 4 ways, and I think that was less than 2 months ago. There were 4 ways that you can join. So right now, I've tried to join myself. If you are not in the location or the regional area of this credit union, you cannot join. Now, if anyone has information on how they were able to do it, I would love to hear that. No matter how much research I did, and I attempted to join this credit union a few different times, I was not able to join. So I'm going to tell you the 3 ways to qualify for membership. Location. So it's not just for teachers anymore. You can join if you're in Fairfax County, the city of Fairfax, if you're in Prince William County, if you're in the city of Manassas, the city of Manassas Park, Frederick County, Virginia, or the city of Winchester. The second way that you can join is school, facility, staff, students, and immediate family. All the listed options here, you can use them to join. So there's a few public schools that are within those cities and counties. You can also join if you are a facility member, a staff, a student, an alumni of George Mason University, Northern Virginia Community College, or any of the other universities listed. So there's a few different options for you to join here if you can do that in the school. And then there's the relationship. Now, if you are immediate family of an existing member, such as a spouse, a parent, a child, a sibling, step-parent, stepchild, step-siblings, grandparents, grandchildren, and adoptive relatives, you can join this credit union. Household, if you're living with a member such as a roommate, a domestic partner, and legal guardianship, you can join this credit union. Now, there used to be a 4th option for you to join this credit union. However, that option has since been taken away. I believe it changed in the last 60 days or so. I've tried to join this credit union a few different times. I was not successful in doing so. So if you have found a way to join this credit union other than these 3, please let me know. And I would be more than happy to see if I can join that way. And then I'll demonstrate that so that others can join as well. But right now, this is a regional credit union, and the only way for you to join is one of these 3 ways. Now, let's compare the checking accounts. So checking account comparison. No 2 Apple checking accounts are exactly alike. Each account comes with its own unique bundle of conveniences and services sure to benefit any lifestyle, and you can choose your best match today. So there are a few different options here. Let's first check the free A+, the Advantage, and the Extra Student. All right, so for these 3, for one of them, you can earn dividends. That's going to be with the Advantage. You also get free anywhere ATMs, absolutely no fees. You can get 1 free box per calendar year of free Apple logo checks. And for the account qualifications, you need direct deposit of $500 per month or have an open summer pay account or $20,000 in combined savings and loan balances, including your mortgage. If you don't have one of these account qualifications, it will be $10 for you to have this account. And there are some fees and terms that you can check here. Now, if you just want a completely free account, there's the free A+. That one will not earn any dividends. You will be subject to some fees for non-Apple ATM transactions, and the account qualifications are none. You do not have any balance that you need to maintain. There are no monthly fees. And again, that account is completely free for you to maintain. There's also the Student Extra account. Now, with this account, you get 2 free per calendar month non-Apple ATM transactions. You don't get any free Apple logo checks. And for the account qualifications, there is no minimum balance that needs to be maintained, but you must be a student between the age of 12 and 23 years old. Again, no monthly service fee. Now, if I were to suggest an account for you to actually qualify to get credit cards, I would choose the Advantage. Why? It requires direct deposit. When you're trying to build a relationship, one of the best ways to do that with the credit union is to set up direct deposit and maintain a balance. So at bare minimum, I suggest that you set up a direct deposit of $500 per month, maintain that for at least 3 months up to 6 months, and then combine that with the savings account, which is a requirement. When you set up the account, you'll actually see that as you go through the sign up process. I did it a few times while trying to sign up for this credit union. Combine both of those two with $500 monthly deposits, and that should help you get qualified for their credit cards if you are building or rebuilding your credit. Now, the last account is the investor's account. You do earn some dividends with this account. You also get free anywhere ATM, absolutely no fee transactions. You also get 1 box per calendar year free Apple logo checks. Now, for this account, you must maintain investment balances of $25,000 or more with Apple Financial Services. That's mutual funds and things of that nature. So if you were looking to invest, then I would recommend this account for you. Other than that, the main one I suggest that you focus on is the Advantage checking. Now, for the savings accounts, I'm only going to talk about the regular savings. This is the one that's required for you to actually join this credit union. You need to do a $5 minimum deposit, and that's going to have a 0.10% dividend yield. Now, this savings account represents your ownership in Apple Federal Credit Union. With that initial $5 deposit, you'll unlock the door for a full line of exceptional services. So again, this is your stake in Apple Federal Credit Union, so you will need to have this in order to join the credit union. When you go through the setup process, it will automatically prompt you to add this. Let's take a look at the Apple credit cards. So cards for everyday lifestyle. We offer a variety of benefits, including points, cash back at low rates. Now, let's look at some of the features that they offer. No annual fees, no balance transfer fees. That is one of the best things about this credit union. Most of the time, there's a 2 to 3% fee when you do a balance transfer, but there's no fee for this particular credit union. The rates are below 18% APR, which is the usual standard currently at this time. You also get tap and contactless purchase, Visa shopping discounts, and digital card management. Now, let's start with the one that we've all been waiting for, the signature rewards. This is the one that goes up to $50,000. You can earn 3x points on gas, 2x points on groceries. You also can do complimentary 24-hour Visa signature concierge service and redeem points for cash, gift cards, travel, and more. The APR is 14.74%, very, very low. You also can pre-qualify with no score impact. Now, for this particular credit union, they pull your TransUnion FICO 9 score. And there were people who maintained a very low credit score but successfully built a relationship that were able to qualify for this card. If you know that you're rebuilding credit, open up the Advantage checking account. You're going to have to open up the savings, maintain a direct deposit of $500. I would suggest also doing a deposit of $500 into the savings account. Do this for 90 days and then try to pre-qualify for this card. If you can also work on your TransUnion credit score, on this channel we have many videos showing you how to fix your credit, rebuild or build credit if you don't have any. I suggest doing that and do as much as you possibly can in at least 90 days. Now, if you want to wait 6 months, that would be even better. But if you're in a rush, at least 90 days, you need to do this. Then pre-qualify. If you do not pre-qualify for the signature Visa, I suggest going to the My Rewards card. 3x points on gas, 2x points on groceries, 1 point on everything else with credit lines up to $5,000. It is a 14.74% APR. You can pre-qualify with no impact to your credit score. Now, if you want to see if you can get a higher limit, check out the Platinum. The Platinum has low variable rates with credit lines up to $35,000. The APR on this one is only 13.24%. You can pre-qualify with no impact to your score. If you don't care about points and rewards, then this might be the card for you. It doesn't have any of those features, but you do get a nice decent credit line of $35,000. Educator card is very similar to the Platinum with one really cool feature. Same APR. It can go up to $35,000 for the credit line as well, but you have no payments during summer months. Now, if you are a teacher and educator, you probably will find this very beneficial. If you are not required to make a payment during the summer months, any of us can take advantage of that. So if that's something that you would like to take advantage of, I suggest that. There are really no bonuses, rewards, or any offers with any of these cards. The only thing you're really getting is potentially high limits and low APR. Now, if you are a student and you are in the process of starting to build your credit, this may be for you. It's for members that are age 18 to 25 with credit limits up to $1,500. And one of the really cool things, a fixed rate. 9.90%. You probably will not see fixed rates very often. So to have a fixed rate with that low APR is good. A very low limit, but if you are a student, that's a good one to start with. And you can pre-qualify once again with no impact to your credit score. Now, for those of us who are rebuilding credit, here is another strategy I would suggest for you. Open up the Advantage checking account. You have to open up the savings account to become a member, make the deposit of $5, set up direct deposit of at least $500 and deposit $500 into the checking, $500 into the savings every single month. Do this for at least 90 days, but I recommend doing it for 6 months. You can also get a secured card when you first open up your account. You can do $250 for the deposit, up to $5,000. You put that in your savings, then that will become your credit line. This one will have an APR as low as 18%, but this will get your foot in the door. If you have bad credit, this is my recommendation. This is a similar strategy that we've used for PenFed, a similar strategy for Navy Federal. Make those direct deposits, open up this account, and then treat it well for 6 months. When this card graduates, you can then look at doing a product switch into the signature rewards or doing a credit limit increase first and then looking to switch. You can work your way up to getting that $50,000 credit line. Okay. It's a lot easier to do it with Apple Federal Credit Union than it is with Navy Federal, and Navy Federal is also fairly easy. So I would suggest that you go this route in getting the credit builder if you don't pre-qualify and you just want to do something a little bit extra to build a relationship and to show that you're willing to put up a little bit of money, a little bit of your resources in order to get a lot back from them and their resources. Sometimes you do have to just make sure that you're willing to put up a little bit of money to show them that you are actually serious about committing to them as your financial institution, which is the reason why you need to make those deposits and you want to open the Advantage checking account. Before we move on, I do want to talk about those high balance transfers that you can do. It says don't have an Apple Visa, request a transfer during the application process. So when you do the application, you can request a transfer with this credit union. You can do balance transfers as low as 0% APR. So that is a really cool thing. If you are looking to do a balance transfer and you want to do one for 0% APR, that might help you with paying off some of your credit card debt. That is a really cool option. I suggest that you look at that if that is feasible for you. For those of us that have a business, Apple Federal Credit Union does offer some commercial loans. Now, while there are a few different options here, like equipment financing, working capital, real estate loans, SBA 504 loans, I just want to focus on the credit card right now. So you can get credit lines up to $50,000 with no annual fee. Low variable APR rates. You can get credit lines up to $50,000 with no annual fee and low variable APR rates. Now, this is where I would say it becomes very competitive as far as Navy Federal. If you have a business credit card like I do with Navy Federal, it goes up to $25,000. The APR is decent, but you can get a credit line up to $50,000. That doubles the amount of credit line that you can get with Navy Federal on the business side. Take that into consideration. That's where I would definitely say this one is very competitive. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Again, since I wasn't able to join this credit union, like I said before, it did change in the last 60 days. However, I'm going to keep a lookout because again, this changed recently. If any of you know a way to become a member, please drop that in the comments. I would again be more than happy to demonstrate that for you. And in the future, if anything changes, I will update this video and let you know how I was able to join the credit union and how you can join too. But again, it recently changed. The qualifications changed. They're no longer accepting that fourth option that was available a little while ago, but I will keep you updated. And if I'm able to join, you'll be able to join as well. I will definitely let you know. If you are currently a member of this credit union, please drop comments with data points or any information that you have or information that you're willing to share. That way we can be a resource for anybody else who it maybe can join currently, who's in the area, the region for this credit union. So please drop that information in the comments so that everyone else can get that information as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a wonderful day.